Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna cook some stew peas using pig's tail and chicken foot, but you know it is chicken feet. We say chicken foot in Jamaica. So this is the pig's tail. This is about 1 pound of pig's tail that I cut away most of the fats. Then I cut each tail into 3 or 4 pieces. And then I wash with some tap water. So now I'm going to put it into that water and I'm going to put it to boil for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to discard the water, boil again for 10 minutes, discard the water, rinse with some tap water, and then I will come back. That will take away the excess salt. I am also gonna use some chicken foot as I mentioned before. So in this pot I have 2 cups of water. So the pig's tail is already boiled to remove the excess salt, and now I'm ready to cook it. So I'm gonna add the pig's tail and the chicken foot or chicken feet to the water. This is half pint of red peas or red kidney beans. Wash. A few seeds of pimento. Pimento is what you call allspice. We call it pimento in Jamaica. And pimento is from Jamaica, by the way. 2 cloves garlic crush. So I am going to cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil. Okay, so if you're going to put spinners in your stew peas, you can go ahead and you can knead some flour into a dough. I guess you already knew how to do that. I am not going to put any spinners in my stew peas because I don't like spinners in my stew peas. And I guess you're probably surprised, right? Because you're used to seeing Jamaicans putting spinners in stew peas at all time. But I can tell you that in Jamaica, there are a lot of Jamaicans that do not put spinners in stew peas, or they might put it sometimes, but not all the times. If you should buy stew peas at the cook shops in Jamaica, you will not get spinners in it because everything is expensive, and if you should get spinners in it, then you will probably have to pay extra money for it. So no spinners in my stew peas. Let's have a look. So I'm gonna add some more water to the pot. The peas is not yet cooked. I am gonna keep adding water until the peas is partially cooked. If you want, you can use a pressure cooker. Now let's have a look at the stew peas. The peas are cooked, are partially cooked. So now I am gonna add 1 stalk scallion, thyme, and 1 hot pepper. Green, I use the green for flavor because I do not want a lot of heat. If you want a lot of heat, use the ripe one. The ripe one has more heat and less flavor. However, in Jamaica, we use the green one in our stew peas and in our soups. So let's add the coconut milk, and I'm using the tin coconut milk because I'm too lazy to cut up a coconut. I mean, crack open a coconut, then cut it up and blend it. I can't bother. So I'm using the tin coconut milk, which works well, just the same. Wow, it is so rich, man. As I mentioned before, this is the Jamaican stew peas when I have no spinners. No spinners in this Jamaican stew peas, because in Jamaica, despite what you believe, we don't always put spinners in our stew peas, trust me. So I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna lower the heat to medium low and allow it to simmer down and becomes thick and nice. So I do not add any salt to it. I don't normally put salt in my stew peas because I use the pig's tail, which is salted pig's tail. Although I remove the excess salt, but the salt that leave back in the pig's tail is enough, so I don't need to add any salt. My stew peas is finished. This is finished. This is my stew peas with pig's tail and chicken foot, or chicken feet as you might call it. As I mentioned before, we don't always put spinners in our stew peas in Jamaica, and in this case I did not put any spinners into the pot. Thanks for watching.